Create a cozy, rustic ambience with wooden lanterns. Filled with candles and greenery, these timeless accents bring warmth and elegance to your outdoor space. Repurpose tree stumps for a rustic holiday vignette. Top them with glowing lanterns and festive decoration for a natural, inviting display. Elevate your outdoor decoration with a burlap and pine garland. This rustic combination of textures and lights adds a touch of handmade elegance. Transform an old wagon into a charming holiday centerpiece. With cozy blankets and festive greenery, it's the perfect rustic addition to your outdoor decorations. Add rustic charm with handmade twig trees. These natural accents are easy to make and bring a whimsical, cozy feel to your outdoor space. Turn a wooden barrel into a festive focal point. Overflowing with greenery and rustic ornaments, it's an easy way to spread holiday cheer. Light up your yard with rustic rope stars. These glowing decorations bring a magical touch to your outdoor holiday setup. Guide guests with a snowy pinecone pathway. This simple yet elegant idea adds a natural, rustic charm to your outdoor decorations. Repurpose an old window frame for a rustic holiday display. Add a wreath and festive accents for a touch of vintage charm. Personalize your outdoor space with hanging wooden signs. These handmade touches bring a heartfelt, rustic warmth to your holiday decorations. Add farmhouse charm with a vintage milk can. Filled with festive greenery, it's a simple way to embrace rustic holiday decorations. Bring rustic elegance to your porch with wooden snowflake decorations. These handcrafted pieces are perfect for adding winter charm. Turn a wooden ladder into a rustic Christmas tree. Add garlands and ornaments for a creative, space-saving holiday display. Add a playful touch with rustic log reindeer. These handcrafted decorations bring personality and charm to your outdoor setup. Create a cozy gathering spot with plaid blankets and pillows. Perfect for chilly nights by the fire, this rustic setup welcomes holiday guests in style.